Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi magnific espresso machine. Now for this machine it was brought here because it was not turning on at all. You plug it in, the lights will flash, but then it will just be dead completely. And that was because this panel that you see right here, specifically this board, was not fully working. For some reason the power button wasn't getting activated and it was not sending the signal to the machine to turn on. So we replaced the panel, and then when we got the machine to test it, we noticed a little bit of water leaking through there, and then when we inspected the generator, we found that this one was leaking and we had to replace it. So the one that is right here, it's the brand new one, as you can see right there. And as well, this is the new panel with new knobs, all this is a new panel. So yeah, that's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out, and then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Looking great. Exactly the answers what we asked for. Nice crema, working perfectly. Now, like I said, we're gonna be testing the hot water. As you can see right here, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the one. Looking great as well. And now we're gonna do steam. The thermo block that is located right here at the back of the machine. That one needs to heat up in order for the machine to produce it. Once it heats up completely, the water from located right here. We're gonna click on this panel. There you go. We'll start the water to the system, and as you can see, it's gonna get steam coming out of the one. You see really good steam coming out of the one. Excellent pressure, excellent temperature, and burning as well. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again, turning on and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.